All right, so at this point, I am inside the vehicle, and I will turn it on. From here, as you can see, here are the different modes for the AC system. Right here we have auto. This for the arrow pointing for the head, face, whatever, are these vents right here on the other side. This is for the vents up here, as well as there's these two vents right here for the feet. This is just for the feet, and this is for the feet and the defrost. The defrost is right here, these vents up here that run all the way across. And then just regular defrost. Now this button is the defrost for the rear, I believe. I don't know if you can see the black lines. But anyways, so right here is for the temperature. Oh, right. So temperature, and then the amount of air coming out. Right. So what controls this are doors throughout the whole duct system. Now, each door opens a specific setting, right? And then temperature wise as well goes through doors. But from hot to cold through those doors, if it was cold, door would be open and nothing but cold air from the outside would come in. If the door closes for heat, it closes so cold air comes in, and then it goes through, I believe, what's called either the evaporator or the heater core. I'm not exactly sure. It goes through that, and then that's the temperature air that comes out through these vents right there. Unfortunately, mine don't work. I will get to that in a second, but back there is a control blower motor, which controls the blower, really. I mean, it's self-explanatory. And then these hoses right here come from the heater core, as well as the evaporator, I believe. And these are the servos. This one, I believe, is for the blended door, the ones that open and close for like if I want cold air blowing on my face or my feet, or my feet into the frost. These settings right here. This second servo controls the temperature, and then there's another servo there's a third one somewhere. I'm not sure exactly where that third one is, but I know there's three. But that controls this. And then here, I already pulled the cover off. This is for the cabin air filter. And then in this cabin air filter is what I believe to be the blower. So with the engine running, So I'm going to go back to the engine, and then from here I'm gonna get a feel on the lines. So from here, oh, and the type of coolant used in that I'm using in the engine right now is this Peak 50/50 antifreeze. Now it says many OEM coolant is the super long life coolant. Obviously I'm not using that right now, but so there's a low side. I'm gonna get a feel for this. Feels sturdy. I'm not sturdy, stiff. Like I can't really squeeze it much. High side, I don't believe. Let me see, it's this one. There's a high side right there. Oh no, it would be right here. So this is the high side right here. See right here the compressor. And then over here the water pump. Evaporator and heater core, I believe, are in these back two compartments, and I believe that's it. Yeah, I'm into here.